So this is how we would like to have you help us purchase books. So first thing you'll have to have open is Amazon. So Amazon will have to be open. You'll have to have a tab called Bookfinder, which is bookfinder.com. And then you'll have to have our shared sheet that I think I shared with you called Book Orders. And then a Gmail. And the Gmail that I want you to open is the RC Richter 1950 at gmail.com. So I'll give you directions on how to get that into that in a different email, maybe just an email. But here's all the alerts that are coming in, and I haven't had a chance to get to all of them. So start at the bottom and work your way up to the top. So first, open the email and then click on the book picture. Actually, it opens Amazon, so you don't have to have that open there, I don't think. Yes, okay. So if there's no ISBN number right here underneath the photo of the book, then you have to scroll way down to the bottom and you'll find the two ISBNs down there. I always use the 10-digit ISBN. So copy that and then paste it right here in the ISBN of Bookfinder and do a search. So here's an as new, and so you see over here are new books. We're not concerned with that side. We're just looking at this side over here that says used book. So there's one that says used as new for $38.75. So $38.75, in order for us to be competitive on Amazon, we have to multiply that times 3, basically. So you want to click right here on 25 used from $39.95. And then from there, click on Prime. So we're only interested in the Prime listings of these books. But if you take $38.95 and multiply that times 3, we're going to have to sell it for $116.85. So if $116.85 is in one of these 3 positions, the top 3 positions, then I want you to list that book right here on the Buy Now tab at the bottom. So let's see, I guess I should put some stuff in here for you. Title. And ISBN. So you would put the ISBN there and You can just copy the title off of the Amazon page. But see, this one isn't one that we're going to do because the top 3 positions are all we're interested in, and this one would have to be $116 or less, or more, for us to want that book. So just stop right there and go to the next book. So let's see. Oh, not that one. The next book was, and go ahead and get rid of those. Just throw them away once you're done researching them. So let's go to the next one. Click on the picture. And right underneath the picture there's a 13-digit ISBN number there. So we'll copy that. You could get the 10-digit ISBN down on the bottom here. Or the ASIN. They call it ASIN if it's an Amazon number. But the 13-digit number will work fine. While you're on this page, you might as well go ahead and click on 95 used, and then it'll open up a new Amazon page. And then we'll go to Bookfinder, and we'll put this in right here. Okay, acceptable. We don't want, that's another thing. We have this multi-highlighter extension. So you'll have to find that. Multi-highlight is what it's called. It's a Chrome extension. Just go to the Chrome web store and put it on. And I'll send you the words, because here's the list of words that I use to find. I don't want to buy anything with one of those words in it. So anything that's acceptable, I don't want. So this one says very good for 1615. Okay, so 1615 times 3 is 48.45. Okay, so let's see if we can get it for 48.45. Up on the top 3. So 48.45 isn't even on page 1. So you don't need to do any more than that, and just throw that one away too. So go to the next one. Fundamentals of Photography. Okay, there's no ISBN number there, so we got to scroll down here to find it. There it is down there. Copy that. Go back up and click on the used, 35 used. Let's see, Bookfinder. What happened to Bookfinder? Here it is right here. Acceptable, acceptable. Fair means acceptable, so anything that says fair, don't buy that or don't suggest that. So here's the first one. And then I always like to hover over this and see if the postage is included, and it is, the $3.99 and $1.44 for the book. So $5.43. So $5.43 is about $16. Let's see, 5.43 times 3 equals 1629. So photography. Oh, here's a problem. See this picture? That picture and that picture are different pictures. So they might have the same ISBN, but this one, let's see. This one was published in 2012. And this one, it says it was published in 2012 too, but it's a different book. This has an ASIN of 159, so the last four digits are 8907. I think we ought to just skip this book. If you have a mismatched cover like that, don't mess with it. Just throw it away. Oh, see, now it's different. Huh. 97, yeah. Let's not mess with it. So we'll just throw that one away. Go to the next one. So we moved that one to the trash. There's another one. I just checked this one earlier today, so I don't need to do that one. Essential oils. Okay, so let's look at this one. Essential oils pocket reference. Okay. 74 used from 249. Liquid damage. Definitely don't want that. Acceptable, 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 acceptable. Used good in stock. 537. Okay, 537 times 3. $16.11. So can we get it for $16.11? Click on Prime. This one might be close. No. $16.11 isn't even on page 1 either. Okay. So we set the price alerts, and even though they're triggered, it's, you know, it might be they've already sold those cheap books, or maybe when you're looking at the list that, you know, the first 10 of them are acceptable and have damage of some kind. If it says good or very good, then if it fits the parameters, if it fits somewhere in the top 3 here, like in one of these 3 positions right here with our times 3 price, then go ahead and list it on our sheet that says buy now. Okay, I think you get the idea. And if you don't, just give me a shout out and we'll work it through. Thank you.